Good morning. Welcome to pre-market report on 17th November 2022. So before moving to the pre-market report, let's look at the course. So we are offering advanced option trading course. The link is available in our website www.dtradingclass.com. So here you can see, you can also download our DTrader app, which is available for Android, and the web link. So you can click on here. So this is a web link. So this is advanced option trading course, which is completely available in English. So this course is running with an offer, and currently you can get it for just 2,000 rupees. Okay. So actually the course fees is 6,000. So which I'm going to modify completely, and it will be so this course particularly covers maximum portion of option trading. It includes algo trading also, and basics, advanced, different strategies and adjustment, everything is available. So this is a lifetime access video. You can make use of it. So from December, the course will be again available for 6,000 rupees. So this is an excellent offer running only for this number. Kindly make use of this opportunity, which is running up 67% offer. Okay. So thank you. I will move to the pre-market. So XGS Nifty yesterday made high around 18,472 and low is 18,394 and closed 18,413, and market are expected to open flat. That is, today is an expiry day, so it's expected to open flat, so which results the movement may be either upside or downside, but my expectation is on upside. As per the Nifty and Bank Nifty price action, it looks bullish. So expected, because like in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, it is trading on resistance level. Exactly. So the breakout may result in movement in positive direction, or else the reversal may happen. But most of the case, I am expecting a positive movement. So if you look at the open interest for Nifty, so both the case, it is an unwinding expected. So market as per Bank Nifty price action, it's looking bullish, but as per Nifty price action, so some reversal or some consolidation may happen. So if it is Bank Nifty, you can see here, Bank Nifty here, you can see up to buying is available up to 42,600. Then they have started selling, but this may reverse. If you see the next expiry, there is a monthly expiry. You can see still more buying there up to 44,000. Even in case of Nifty, you see next expiry, see it will be something different, because nowadays both Bank Nifty and Nifty are behaving differently. Okay, so yes, so if you look at the price action Nifty chart, Nifty is exactly trading around resistance zone. You can see here exactly it is trading around resistance zone. So if the market is similar, like somewhat gap up, so this may reach 18,500 and 18,600 level. So that is what your intraday, the next resistance zone will be 18,500. Similarly, intraday support zone may be to trade around 18,200. So our like immediate support will be 18,250. So then on failing this, it may fall down still. But still, see, you can see your moving average, it's look completely bullish, and even your RSI indicating it's a bullish. So expected market to move further on upside. Similarly, in case of Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty is looking exactly at the resistance zone. Okay, so Bank Nifty is in resistance zone. So as per price action, it looks completely bullish, and open above your resistance zone may take you to 43,000. So this is what today's level. Okay, so for Nifty, so once if it is breaking, then 18,500 will be then next resistance. On breaking that, then all-time high. That is what, and support will be 18,000 Currently 18,300, 200 all will be the support, and Nifty, this is currently trading around resistance zone. Okay, so this is for today, and like even your moving average and RSI looks bullish, and Bank Nifty same case. So 43 on breaking, opening above your resistance zone, and if it is consistent, then it may take you to 43,000, and support will be 42,000 and 41,500, but still both are looking bullish. Okay, so that's all about today's video. Hope you enjoy watching. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates, and to join our course and open your Demat and trading account link, which is available in description. Thank you.